What's up, guys? Hope everybody out there is doing good. And today we're back on the SV today because, you know, we haven't been out on the bike in quite a bit, and we haven't actually been posting in quite a bit. And honestly, guys, it's been killing me. Every single day I want to make a video and I want to do something for you guys, but recently, as you guys all know if you've been watching my videos, I've been working a lot more, so I haven't had the time to go out and get the mods and source out all the parts and stuff that I want for the SV and do all the research to get the right parts so I don't buy some bullshit. But basically, without making any excuses, I should be making more videos for you guys. And I will be making more videos for you guys. Now, it is getting to the end of the riding season, so I don't plan on doing too many SV videos, to be honest with you. But I am going to have some content for you. As you can see, I'm still out here today wearing 2 pairs of pants because it is 12 degrees Celsius. I don't know what that is, maybe like 40, 45 for you guys out in the States. It's pretty damn cold. So we're going to be riding around today, just doing a little bit of like an update, just cruise, go out, enjoy can't even talk. Go out, enjoy a nice little ride, have a little cruise, and basically not get killed because there's people like this who just decide at the last minute, I need gas. But like I said, guys, just go out, enjoy ourselves, go for a cruise, give you guys an update on the channel, what's going to be happening, what I'm going to be doing, and what I have planned for content. More or less, the Jeep is coming back. It is, I know, it seems like this the repairs are never going to end and we're not going to get the Jeep back, but honestly, we are getting the Jeep back. And it was supposed to be back this week. I was supposed to get it back yesterday, and unfortunately I didn't, so that means I should be getting it in the next few days. Now, fingers crossed that I get it tomorrow. Tomorrow is Monday. Hopefully we get it and we'll be able to go out and show you guys exactly what I broke, because we really thrashed it and beat the crap out of it. But now the parts that we're putting in are stronger, so we can go back and test them. Or long story short, just go out and get it real dirty and hopefully not break down again. But we will be out there soon. I'm planning for next weekend to go hit the trails again. And I know that my other buddy, the guy with the JL, the gray JL, Nico, if you guys been watching my videos, his JL was also out of commission for a bit. And that thing is back. He just got it back yesterday or today, something like that. So good stuff. We're back on the road. We're off to a good start for the fall season. And unfortunately, it is the end of summer, but that's all right because we get to go out, do some nice off-roading in the winter and in the fall. And in the fall, there are some awesome leaves and awesome things to see. So you guys are definitely going to enjoy that because the scenery gets even better. And I'm going to try to hit up some of our best trails that we hit during the summer and the spring, as well as a lot of new trails and stuff that we haven't done yet, because that's going to be the best. It's going to be obviously the best for you guys. It's going to be more interesting for me. And I am planning on a lift kit. We are throwing a lift on very soon. I'm hoping that we get that on before the first snow falls, because I'm not sure exactly which lift kit I'm getting yet. So once I decide which lift kit, then we're going to grab it. Hopefully it's in stock, because that's another reason I haven't been doing too many mods on the SV. It's been hard to source parts. A lot of the parts that I've been looking at and a lot of the parts that I've wanted are just out of stock everywhere. And I don't know if that's because they are late on manufacturing and people haven't been making them and that's why they have to catch up, or if it's because everybody's been at home and doing mods on their bikes. So either way, whatever the case is, I'm gonna do my best to source out some more parts and actually get some stuff done, because you guys know me, I like doing all my own stuff, all my own mods, my own repairs. And if it doesn't involve a welder, which I don't have anywhere to house right now, then I have to send it out. I mean, I'll do it myself. So if it involves a welder, I have to send it out. But anything other than that, I'm pretty much doing it myself these days. And follow along with me, guys. Give me some suggestions on what you want to see, because the build is just starting. I'm going to get a lift kit soon. So if you guys can suggest any 3-inch lifts for the Jeep, that's pretty much what I'm looking at right now. I don't want to go too much bigger until I source out some axles, because that's pretty much what I want to do. I don't want to go too crazy, because then I'm going to have to get brake lines, axles, drive shafts. It's just going to be triple the cost of what it would be to raise it 3 inches if I was to go 4 inches, which that's kind of the threshold, around 3 inches. This mirror is way too low. I don't know why it keeps freaking falling like that, but Cannot see anything. Oh, another bike. It's only the second one I've seen today. It's getting cold. People don't want to be out here. Oh, and he's got the temporary sticker, so he just picked this thing up. Nice and fresh rider, eh? It's a 250. It's alright. Those are the best to start out on. But you shouldn't be wearing sweatpants, my dude. And indoor soccer shoes, those aren't really the best either, but alright. Oh, we've got a nice FJ over there and a cop hiding behind him, so I can't take off from this light. There's a cop over there, watch out! Right behind these cars. Don't want Buddy to get pulled over either. Gotta watch out for your fellow riders, you know? Yeah, and he was watching us too. He knew. He's like, oh, there's two bikes at the front of the line there, eh? Guys are sneaky, man. Guys are real sneaky. They'll hide behind other cars. They'll wait for you to freaking speed up. I've even had cops where they'll go in front of you and they'll speed up, and then as soon as you start matching their speed, they pull you over. So all kinds of shit out here, man. Man, it's time for a new helmet. The anti-fog is completely gone on this one. Like, done. Completely ruined. Like, even while you're riding and you're getting airflow, still have fog building up. But yeah, if anybody knows of any good helmets, I'm looking for a carbon fiber one. I'm gonna have to pick something new up soon because this one's getting pretty old and toasted, and I think the expiry date is up on it. It's all scratched up and, you know, just been used. Used and abused, my friend. But if you guys know of any awesome carbon fiber helmets that aren't gonna break my bank, I'm not trying to spend like $1,000, then let me know. And some other plans for the Jeep that are coming up, and some other things that I have planned for the Jeep are basically I'm going to be going and getting some synthetic winch line. I already have a few parts for the real tailgate, for the rear tailgate or the rear lift gate, whatever you want to call it. It's basically I'm going to rebuild the back. I have new hinges and new struts, so I can basically make it like a new trunk because the glass does not lift anymore. And yeah, a few other things that I have planned are excuse me, a lift. I'm gonna do the 3-inch lift. Like I said, if you guys know of any good ones, suggest one. If you guys have any other suggestions of anything else that I should add, let me know. We've already got tires, but we're gonna need to get bigger tires because we're gonna get a lift. So as soon as we go up, we gotta go bigger. And I'm thinking 33s for now. Probably gonna go out and get some super swampers and maybe keep them on the same rims, but I think I'm gonna get some rims with a deeper offset. That way we can have them poke a little bit more because cutting the fenders was not enough. So definitely we gotta do that. And yeah, I don't know, a few other little mods here and there. Not too sure exactly what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna keep adding things and we're gonna keep changing things, and hopefully we can actually go out and have a good time on the trails, because a lot of times we get stuck, it's because we're getting bottomed out, and basically to not bottom out you got to lift it. And I don't want to go further than 3 inches, because once you start going 4 inches, then you need either a slip yoke or you need to go out and get yourself a transfer case drop, and then that just lowers the belly, so it kind of eliminates lifting it 4 inches rather than 3 inches. Now even some people with a 3-inch lift, you might need to do that, but we'll see, because once we start driving it, we'll see exactly if it has vibrations or not, and if it does, then I will go slip yoke eliminator, and I'll probably end up selling the 3-inch lift before it's too used and beat up, and I'll go and get myself something bigger, probably closer to 5-inch lift, something like that, 4 to 5. That way we can go out and get some bigger axles, hopefully some 1-tons, and go and slap some 40s on that. You know what I'm talking about, guys. So trust me, when I say we're not done with the build, we're just getting started, we are just getting started. I have a lot of plans for that little Jeep, and it's going to be a beast. little pull today, guys, because my tires are still chirping at me. I just downshifted back there, and even though I rev match, it's still kind of locked up and started shimmying on me, and anytime I press the back brake, you can feel the back end trying to catch up with the front end. It's just coming out on you. Oh man, good times. It's fun if you know what you're doing, but at the same time, I don't want to be going out and slapping gears just yet. I think I need to wait a few days. Today's cold. Today's real cold, but it's supposed to warm up in the next few days. But I just couldn't help myself. I had to come out here, go for a little spin, crack a few gears. And man, the more I ride this thing, the more I want that decap pipe. It's gonna sound mean. That's like 20% throttle. So without boring you guys any further, because basically that's the other reason I haven't been making much videos right now, is because I don't want to bore you guys. I don't want to be making just videos just to put out a video. Like, unless there's something that is actually going to be interesting, or I feel is going to be interesting for you guys, I don't want to post it. So hopefully you can appreciate that fact, and that's why I'm going to have to end off the video right about here today, guys. And I'm gonna go home. It's Sunday night right now. It is 7 p.m. I'm gonna run home, edit this up, and have it ready for you guys, nice and ready for 9 a.m. so you guys can watch this for yourselves and let me know exactly what you guys want to see on the channel coming up next. But as you know, if you ever post something in the comments or you ever ask me to make a video for you guys, I usually do it, and you guys usually get what you want. So I'm more than happy to make content that you guys want to watch. And when the Jeep comes back, there is tons of stuff that I'm going to have planned already, and tons of videos are going to come your way. So thank you for sticking around. Thank you for sticking with me through this last month that I haven't really been posting. And I am back. I am going to be posting more. Believe me, I missed you guys. I hope you missed me too. And I'll see you guys on the next one. So until next time, ride safe out there, guys. Peace.